Well, I don't know where spring went, but winter is back. Look how beautiful everything is. Just beautiful. And this is not the light fluffy snow we've been getting all winter. This is heavy, heavy wet snow. Ugh, it's hard to even walk in it. My garden is underneath snow. I don't know how much we got, but as you can see, and it's drifting right now. As you can see, it's got quite a bit on the tables, and my clematis is pretty well coated. And of course, the camper is got a ledge hanging over the roof. Yeah, it really came down, and underneath, when I was doing a little shoveling, puppies are arguing. Underneath the snow, it was raining, so it rained first, so we got about an inch of water underneath. Puppies, come here. Come here. Oh, there's my snow dog. Are you my snow dog? Yep, my snow puppies. Bam Bam says, I'm staying under the camper where there's not so much snow. He's not as much a winter dog as that little white monster. But hey, Scooter Booter, Scooter, come on. I guess they said they want to go. Oh, here he comes. Back and forth. Got to get some of his wiggles out before he gets in the house, because then he doesn't know what to do. He gets bored real quick. All right, well, I'll let you guys go. You have a great day. I'm going to be shoveling. Bye-bye.